Hey guys, this is Dr. T here at Movement Spine and Rehab. I'm here with my awesome patient, Debra, and we just did our 1 month Embrace x-ray. And this is a relatively new approach, bracing adults with scoliosis, hyperkyphosis. So I thought, what better example than just to see what does she notice in the first month? What have you noticed?
I feel taller. I have less back pain and joint pain. I feel not only physically comfortable now currently, but mentally I'm more comfortable thinking about my future. You know, I'm a lot more relaxed thinking that, you know, I'll have better physical movement capabilities, and I plan on living a long time and being quite active. So I feel like this has really saved my life. It's a blessing.
And what an awesome testimony. We have to thank Dr. Neil Koppel for referring her here, because one of the great things is this brace, you know, you don't have to be my patient to get this. A lot of doctors get referring their patients over to get the help that they need. But if you need help with scoliosis, hyperkyphosis, your posture's collapsing, this technology will change you more in a month than most treatments. They just can't do it. So come check us out.
I can't get over the change in 1 month. I can't say enough good about it.
Awesome.
Happy.